Javi from Sweden.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam to Allah.
If I feed my cat pork and non-halal food, and the cat like touches it, and then after that touches me, is my wudu nullified? And then also licks me. Is my wudu nullified after that?
First of all, it is not permissible to buy cat food that is made of dead meat or pork or anything haram. Because the Prophet ﷺ, and the hadith is in the Sahih, said that buying such and selling such products is prohibited, whether it is statues, whether it is pork or dead meat and the likes. So you cannot buy them, you cannot sell them, even if it is for the consumption of pets. But if, for example, you made an order and the order comes and you find that it's a pork chop, it's haram, and you did not pay for it and they refunded you the money and they told you to dispose of it, you can feed it to the cat or to the dogs or to whatever you want to feed it for. Coming to your question, if you see traces of this impurity, if the meat that the cat ate had some tomato sauce, and you saw that the sauce is on your hand after the cat kissed you or licked your hand, and you know that this is from what it ate, yes, this is najis, you have to wipe it off. If not, which usually is the case, that when the cat consumes its food, it licks itself and cleans itself, and it becomes pure, then there's no problem in that, inshallah.